Lasagna. It's the culinary equivalent of a warm hug. Cheesy, saucy, and irresistibly comforting. It's the perfect dish to feed a crowd, impress your family, or simply enjoy with leftovers for days. Whether you're hosting a big dinner or just indulging in a solo carb feast, no judgment here. This lasagna recipe is a guaranteed winner. But before we dive into the delicious layers, let's talk about the foundation, your kitchen. If your current cooking space doesn't inspire you to whip up masterpieces like this lasagna, don't worry. I know someone who can help find a kitchen and home you'll absolutely love. Spoiler alert, it's me. The ultimate lasagna recipe. For the meat sauce, 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound Italian sausage, mild or spicy, 1 medium onion, finely diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 28 ounces of crushed tomato, 1 can, 6 ounces of tomato paste, 1 can, 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. For the ricotta layer, 16 ounces ricotta cheese, 1 egg, half a cup grated ricotta or grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley or 1 teaspoon of dried. For the assembly, 12 lasagna noodles, regular or oven ready, 4 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese. Now the instructions. Prepare the meat sauce. In a large skillet, brown the ground beef and Italian sausage over medium heat until fully cooked. Drain the excess grease. Add the onion, garlic, and cook until soft and fragrant. Stir in crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, tomato sauce, sugar, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Simmer on low for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Cook the noodles if needed. If using regular lasagna noodles, cook them in boiling salted water until al dente. Drain and lay flat on a towel to prevent sticking. Skip this step if you're using oven-ready noodles. Prepare the ricotta mixture. In a medium bowl, combine ricotta cheese, egg, Parmesan cheese, and parsley. Mix until smooth and creamy. Assemble the lasagna. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. In a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, spread a thin layer of meat sauce to coat the bottom. Layer with noodles, then spread a layer of ricotta mixture, followed by meat sauce and shredded mozzarella. Repeat until you've used all the ingredients, ending with a generous topping of mozzarella and Parmesan. Bake. Cover with aluminum foil. Spray the foil with nonstick spray to prevent sticking to the cheese. Bake for 25 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for an additional 20 minutes until bubbly and golden. Let the lasagna rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Serve and enjoy. Slice into hearty squares and serve with a side salad and garlic bread. Savor every cheesy, saucy bite. Now, as you sit back and admire your culinary masterpiece, think about this. Does your current home give you the same warm and cozy feeling? If your kitchen feels cramped, your dining space isn't cutting it, or you're dreaming of a home with a perfect spot to host lasagna nights, I can help. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I specialize in finding homes where kitchens inspire delicious creations and dining rooms welcome endless laughter. Let's find the house that's the perfect recipe for your happiness. Ready to layer your life with love and a new dream home? Call me today.